Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Paint Heaven by AHS. This is Aruj Heather and hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to show you how I created this beautiful and vibrant rose painting using simple colors and easy blending techniques. We will paint two gorgeous rose, colorful buds and leaves step by step. So grab your brush, relax and let's begin. I am starting with the first flower by applying a soft pink base color on the petals. This first layer helps define the overall shape of the rose. Now I am applying sunflower yellow color in the center petal. This warm yellow tone gives brightness and creates a beautiful contrast with pink. I am adding highlights using white paint so you can see my canvas background is white, so plain white highlights would disappear. So I am using deep maroon color mixed with white. This maroon plus white mix helps the highlights stand out beautifully. Now I am adding white highlights over the yellow petals. This gives a fresh glossy look and creates that beautiful soft shine. And this instantly makes the flower pop. And our first flower is complete. Moving towards the second flower, I am starting with a rich purple base color for all outer petals. Purple gives this flower a bold and elegant appearance. Now I am applying pink colors in the central petals. This combination of purple and pink creates a lovely vibrant harmony. Let it dry and apply the second coat just to make it more vibrant. Now I am using white color for petal highlights. I am carefully tracing petal edges and adding soft curves to separate each layer. This step adds volume and gives the flower a realistic shape. So you have to be very careful about the highlights and separating the petals. Now I am taking again white paint on my brush, that is flat brush number 2, and then I'm highlighting all the petals one by one, just highlighting the outer petals or bigger petals first, and then I will come towards the center part. So just one by one, highlight the petals with the white paint and blend it very well. Now I am working in the center using deeper pink and purple shades. I am creating small folded petals to give the center natural depth. I am blending darker purple between petals for shadow. This makes the flower look fuller and more dimensional. Finally, I am adding a few soft white touches on pink areas for extra brightness and giving the depth by adding purple paint under the petal center. And the second flower is now complete. Now let's paint the buds. First, I am creating 3 buds using purple and pink mix. I am shaping them with upward strokes and blending colors softly. Then I am adding pink shade. After the purple, I am adding pink shade and mixing it well so that we cannot get any sharp paint over there. Just blend it and mix it very well. Now for the highlights, I am taking a flat brush 0, or you can say flat brush 1. You can use any. And then I am adding a tiny strokes. I'm adding white highlights to define the curves. These tiny strokes will define the curves and let it dry. Give one another coat so that it will become more highlighted. Then I am adding white tiny center dot for details. These little details makes the bird look delicate and elegant. For the remaining buds, I am using pink and orange color and making a contrast of these two colors. First adding pink color and then I will apply orange and mix it very well. This adds warmth and balances the whole composition beautifully. Now after drying it, I am again using white paint just to highlight, and I'm shaping the birds and adding bright highlights with white paint. This will define the shape of bird very nicely. I applied sap green color to all the leaves. I am not showing the full leaf process in this video. If you would like a detailed leaf tutorial, please check my other videos on the channel. The leaves complete the painting beautifully and make the flowers stand. I am showing the final results of my painting. I hope you enjoyed painting this beautiful rose artwork with me today. If you like this tutorial, please like, share with your artist friends. Subscribe to Paint Heaven by AHS and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay inspired.